Number 1. 1994 Ford F-150, price $8,700. It has 111,000 miles and is powered by a 5.8 LEFI V8 engine paired with an E4OD automatic transmission. The truck runs on gasoline and is reported to run great. It features a black exterior with a red interior, giving it a classic and bold look. The vehicle comes equipped with a factory trailer tow package and a 3.55 limited slip axle, making it well suited for towing and hauling. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, tilt steering, cruise control, dual power lumbar seats, and cold air conditioning. The tires are in good condition, contributing to its reliable driving performance. Recent maintenance and new parts include front and rear fuel tanks, front and rear fuel pumps, a new fuel filter, spark plugs, front brake pads, as well as fresh engine oil and filter. Number 2. 1996 Ford F-150, price $10,000, with approximately 144,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a black exterior paired with a brown interior, and has never been involved in an accident. The truck is powered by the reliable 4.9L inline-six engine, delivering solid performance and durability for daily use or light-duty work. Significant mechanical updates have recently been completed, including new tires, rotors, brakes, shocks, and front-end suspension components, ensuring a smooth and dependable driving experience. All exterior lighting and under-dash lights have been upgraded to LEDs, improving visibility and giving the truck a more modern touch. The interior is in excellent condition, highlighted by the Eddie Bauer woodgrain trim and a dashboard that is free of cracks, reflecting careful ownership over the years. Cosmetically, the truck remains very clean overall, with only minor signs of normal use. These include a small door ding on one wheel well and two small cracks along with a paint chip on the opposite side of the bed. Number 3. 1987 Ford F-150, price $9,900, well-preserved condition, originally from Mexico and imported with a valid customs declaration. The truck is registered with Nuevo Leon license plates Mexico and features a short bed configuration. It has 100,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a 6-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, offering a classic and engaging driving experience. The vehicle comes finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, maintaining a cohesive and original look. The truck is equipped with a fully functioning air conditioning system, providing comfort during daily use, and rides on 20-inch rims, which enhance its appearance while retaining its classic character. Overall, this Ford F-150 has been very well maintained and remains in mint condition, making it a rare and desirable classic pickup. Number 4. 1974 GMC 2500, price $5,900, heavy-duty work truck that represents true old-school American reliability. It is powered by a gasoline 350 V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission, providing strong and smooth performance for both work and daily driving. The truck is equipped with a 4-barrel carburetor, dual exhaust, power steering, and power disc brakes, making it comfortable and capable for its age. Finished in an eye-catching orange exterior with a black interior, this GMC has a bold vintage appearance while still maintaining a clean and functional cabin. It has been owned by the same owner for the last 20 years and has been well cared for during that time. The truck runs and drives very well and remains a dependable, honest work truck that is ready to be used or preserved as a classic. Number 5. 1995 Ford F-250, price $4,250, with 281,000 highway miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. It features a white exterior and a beige interior, both in excellent original condition with factory paint still intact. The truck has never been in an accident and has not been abused or used for heavy work. The engine was fully rebuilt several hundred miles ago, and an additional transmission cooler with an extra gauge was installed for improved reliability. The interior remains original and very well maintained, while the windows were re-tinted a few years ago. This factory-ordered F-250 comes equipped with dual front and rear fuel tanks, along with a Diamondback aluminum toolbox and side and tailgate guards. Number 6. 1987 Dodge D150, price $7,600. It has 73,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission, making it comfortable and easy to drive. The truck is powered by a dependable 318 V8 gasoline engine paired with a 727 transmission, known for its durability and reliability. The exterior is finished in black, complemented by a blue interior that remains in good condition. The vehicle has recently received a new carburetor and a new alternator, ensuring smooth operation. The frame is in great shape, and all lights and turn signals function properly as they should. It features an aftermarket radio, provides good heat, and is equipped with manual crank windows that operate smoothly. Overall, this Dodge D150 is a clean and honest truck with a clean title in hand, ready for its next owner. Number 7. 1997 Ford F350, price $10,000. This truck is equipped with the legendary 7.3 Power-stroke diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior with a gray interior and runs on diesel fuel. The current engine has approximately 120,000 miles on it and was replaced at around 215,000 miles due to a turbo failure. The engine is in excellent condition with no blow-by and does not leak any oil. The truck comes with a clean Texas title and the owner's name and has been well cared for with many recent updates, including new tires, new brakes, wheel bearings, tie rods and ends, I-beam bushings, a new vacuum pump, and a new tailgate. New glow plugs and a relay are also included but have not yet been installed. Overall, this F350 is a solid, reliable diesel truck with major maintenance already completed and ready for work or daily use. Number 8. 1994 Ford Ranger, price $3,800, with approximately 200,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with a manual transmission, powered by a 4-cylinder gasoline engine, and comes with a clean title. The truck features a white exterior paired with a blue interior, both of which remain in good condition for its age. Mechanically, the vehicle is in excellent shape and fully functional, with the engine, transmission, and suspension all performing at 100%. It runs and drives great, offering very smooth and comfortable handling. The air conditioning system works properly and blows cold, and all systems and features are fully operational. The truck is currently street legal with valid registration, includes aluminum wheels, and the interior is well maintained. Number 9. 1993 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,750. This truck is powered by a 6.5L turbo diesel engine with an automatic transmission and has 173,000 original miles. Finished in red with a gray interior, the truck runs great and has been well maintained by the same owner for the past 27 years. It was mainly used to tow a camper a few times per year, resulting in low annual mileage. Maintenance and upgrades include new injectors and an injector pump installed in 2001 at around 120,000 miles, an aftermarket turbo wastegate for improved performance, and major engine work at approximately 150,000 miles such as new heads, valves, timing chain, and water pump. This truck is an excellent construction or work vehicle and comes with a toolbox and spare tire. Number 10. 1972 Chevrolet C10, price $7,000. It features a blue exterior paired with a black interior, giving it a classic and clean look. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a 350 small block Chevy engine mated to a turbo 300 transmission. Performance upgrades include an Edelbrock intake and carburetor, along with dual cherry bomb mufflers that deliver a strong, aggressive exhaust sound. The truck has a rust-free frame, although the body does show rust in common areas typical for its age. It runs and drives well and has proven to be reliable, having been purchased in Dallas and successfully driven to Florida about 2 years ago, where it has continued to be a solid truck since. The known drawbacks include the existing body rust, the absence of a radio, and no air conditioning.